me, Lucy, and I'm making an Xbox video, as I nearly always do when I press the wrong button. And yeah, and I am making a white noise video. As you might have seen, my 2 videos are white noise, and I sent in the wrong person. So I am going to show you what. So this is my dad's shift hook is nothing. He's nothing. It's just like he won for some reason. I didn't let him. Really stupid. So I'm going to look and see who's on here. No, but we're just gonna see who is on White Boy. Wrong button. I'm going into my game and I can scroll along. I'm going to White Noise. Oh yeah. You might say a little fidget going on. Just say games. No games found. No games. I love that. Alright, which one should I do? Actually, no. Oh my god, it's so funny. I'm gonna check how long it's went on for. But we've still got a lot of time, and no games found. So we're gonna creating game. Okay, someone joined. Which game? You guys can comment what game you want me to do next video, so make sure to do it before I do it, because I'm doing lots of videos today. I'm just going to go random location, and I'm going to pick my character. I'm going to be this one. He's the fastest one out of all of them. All of these characters, of course. So I'm just going to wait, and this video, I'm going to see if anyone else has made a game. There are 2 people in that game. So, hello? 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 Is anyone here? Hello? Okay, we're not gonna go in that game. Okay, let's see. Hello? If you watch YouTube, yeah, I'm recording this, by the way. So I'm gonna see how long this on for. Still got like 1 more minute left to make the video, and then I'm gonna upload it. Gonna upload the video in a minute. guys, I'm gonna have to stop the video right here. It's been a really short video, so yeah. So I'm gonna be doing another episode right now after I've uploaded this video. Watch my other videos if you haven't. They're pretty cool with Henry, I think he's called. And yeah, you can hear him scream. He's gonna scream. I'm sure. Okay. So I'll see you guys in the next episode. Bye.